I am going to do an unboxing of this $7 vacuum cleaner from the Dollar Tree. I'm really excited about this. I am at a campsite where I'm just getting too much dirt in my tent and I need something more than the broom and dustpan. So let's take a look at the box. So there's a nice brush attachment, nice narrow attachment, and a hose. Let's take a look at this. And this does plug into your cigarette lighter in your car. Alright, it's pretty small. I'm going to go charge this thing up and we'll see how it works. Okay, we're over at my car, and as you can see, I tracked in a lot of dirt from camping. Let's see how this little guy does. I already plugged it into my cigarette lighter, and let's look. Wow. Okay, well, the canister just popped off. I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, so I mean, for a little vacuum that plugs into your cigarette lighter, and aside from that canister initially falling off, I'm actually pretty impressed with this. Would recommend.